Hello guys, my name is Juliet Camacho and my topic is of recycling. Recycling is a process of materials in convert waste into new materials and objects. Recycling is a key component of modern waste reduction in every moment that you produce trash and is the third component of the different of the reduce, reuse, and recycle waste hierarchy. In our days, it's more common that we listen this word, and in different countries, is more strict. They use this model. In 1031 before Christ, the Japanese beginning with the recycling of paper and all ancient papery was made with paper recycling. In the year 60, more people began to talk about this term. During good part of the history, the people in the world don't produce a lot of quantity of trash, although in recent years it's more common that all things arrive in wrappers, which are now the most abundant components of the waste stream. In the year 17th, the best known recycled symbol, the Mobius strip, this model is a Mobius strip, this thing, it was born. The origin of the symbol was during a designer in a Container Corporation of America. The country that most recycled is Germany. This begins in 1991 when it passed the packing ordinance, which obliges all manufacturers to collect and recycle or reuse. Additionally, in Switzerland, recycling is mandatory, and in fact, it is not done. There are fines that can amount of 10,000 euros, and the classification of the containers is very exhaustive. In the millions of people around the world want the life with their recycling, and they are very important in this model and give a lot of benefits at our community and the environment. But all it isn't good because these workers are subjects to the stigma social, poor extremely and bad condition in her healthy, as well as our flexible work. Waste management have many health risks to workers. These are even higher for informal workers due to their exposition to unprotected polluting. Into the risks include contact with fecal matter, paper saturated with toxic materials. The culture of recycling synthesizes the challenge that 21st century society faces in the face of current problems of treatment and disposal of waste generated in our daily activities. The central element of the recycling campaign is the recycling bus, a large mobile classroom that has already been visited by more than 120 municipalities and 150 centers. 70% of all the garbage that you produce can be recycled. By recycling an alum you are saving 90% of the energy needed to produce another can. The reason of recycling is the volume of the first moment, the volume of waste generated is considerably reduced. Pollution of the planet is minimized since by separating our waste we prevent it from accumulating in rivers, banks, cliffs, and ravines. And recycling is an industrial or handcraft process in which materials are recirculated through a cycle. For recycling, a used product is used as a raw material In this way, the paper becomes paper again, the glass becomes glass, and this is the case with many materials such as plastics, aluminum, and plant debris. If we don't recycle the raw material to generate a new object, is a lost and ends up accumulated for hundreds. Thank you, guys.